Using 2 pounds of asparagus, adding about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, seasoning with some lemon pepper seasoning, and cook in the oven at 400 degrees covered up for about 25 minutes. Adding in 2 cups of quinoa, and adding in 4.5 cups of water. Bring that to a boil uncovered, and once it's boiling, put it down to a simmer covered up until all the water is evaporated. And for the final piece of the meal is going to be a salmon. Going to rinse that off, add it to my tray. Squeezing out a couple lemons on top to get it nice and juicy. A little bit of flair. Adding lemon pepper seasoning to the top of the salmon. And chunks of butter throughout the top of it. And sticking it in the oven and cooking at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. Cooked until the center of the salmon was at 145 degrees. That's a good looking salmon. And some perfect quinoa. And some amazing asparagus. I've got 8 trays here, but this made about 10 very healthy meals.